Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to enter ANSI characters in SWP. You can only enter the ANSI character in SWP if you have a numeric keypad. To enter an ANSI character, hold down the Alt key, enter the digit 0, and then enter the corresponding number from the numeric keypad for the ANSI character you want to enter. Then release the Alt key. For instance, if you want to enter the symbol yen, press the Alt key, enter the digit 0 and type 165 from the numeric keypad, which is the number for the symbol yen. When you will release the Alt key, you will see the symbol yen on the screen. This is how you can enter the ANSI characters in SWP. Thanks for watching.